Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the introduction of social science. When students study in school, in the class 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, they're having one subject that's like EVS and afterwards social studies. But when they reach in class 6, the subject that is social science categorized in 3 different broad divisions. One, which known as geography. This geography we are going to study about India, you will study about the world, you will study about climate, natural vegetations, land surface, everything under this. Next, your subject is political science, which also known as civics, where you will study about government, parliament, constitutions. So this all information will be there under your civic subject. And the third one, that is history. History, it means past. So finally, this history, which will categorize according to your classes. In class 6, you will study about the ancient history. In class 7, you will study about medieval history. And in class 8, you will study about the modern history. No need to be happy. When you will reach in class 9 and 10, you have to study about the world history. All the French Revolution, Russian Revolution, and the national movement of India. Okay, when you want to know about the history, it's much more important to know about the timeline. Finally, this timeline was started in past when people started thinking that how we can categorize all the days, how we can remember that what happened 2 days before. So for that, they selected one day, which day were known as the birth of Jesus Christ. And finally, they selected the birth of Jesus Christ as the day of 0. And from where the past were known as BC, means before Christ, before the birth of Jesus Christ. And the another one, after the birth of Jesus Christ, whatever the days came, were known as AD. AD, that full form is Anno Domini, in the year of Lord. Lord means Jesus Christ. Somewhere you can see in your textbooks it's mentioned BCE. It means before Common Era, and CE means Common Era, which used for AD. Just imagine if somewhere if a number is mentioned as like 1000 but nothing is mentioned as like AD or BC, what you will understand? That means it is AD. And for BC, you have to mention after this wordings the same number 1000 we are using here for BC also. So you just need to write there 1000 BC. Then only they will understand you're talking about the past, much more faster. And this 1000, the numbering is same. Just BC and AD shows which one was much more faster and which one is recently. For example, it's this timeline which is showing you the first one that is 1000, here also is 1000. This 1000 which come under the AD. Another is 2000 which recently it went. Now the day that is 2020. Then afterwards the another year which will come, that will be 2021. And the same 2021 was this side also. So when this side 2021 is mentioned, you have to mention there 2021 BC. And this side, if you're mentioning, that's okay. If you're not mentioning, then also it's okay. Everybody can understand you're talking about Anno Domini. Thank you.